Okay, we're gonna go over how to draw Knuckles upset. It's kind of an expression page. I'm gonna make a little playlist for it later of different expressions of Knuckles. There's already a Sonic playlist with a bunch of different stuff on it. Go check that out. But you can check it on the description, or you can just go to the playlist section and check out, look up Sonic. So let's get started over here with Knuckles. Curve down. He's gonna be making more of an angry expression. I know you're thinking he's always angry, but we're gonna make it a little more angry. Line over here for the middle of the brow. Line up. Down over here. Curve right there for kind of that mouth portion that goes up. Line underneath. Down over to the side. Curve underneath here. So circle over here, dot. Over here on this side, another circle for the eye. Circle. Down. Down. Curve. Curve. Pointed nose. He's gonna go right here. He's gonna be super like, what's going on, right? Line up. Out over here. Kind of, he has like slightly pointed skull, not really. Line. Over here. Line over here. Up. Marker's dying out. Let me switch the marker. While I'm doing that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification, okay? Hit the bell notifications. They'll let you know when I post more videos. And don't miss out on it. Gonna go over here. Up. Kind of the tendrils right there on the eye. The eye. And tendril right here. He's really, really upset. Like, what's going on here? What's happening? Maybe I'll line up. If you do want to make it like more of a sticker, the other option that you can do, and I talk about this in several different videos, is you can create a thicker line around just the outer edge, okay? And it's gonna look like this really awesome sticker. Go over here. All right, well, this marker is also dying. All my markers are dying out. I have to like really test them out after this. All right, line here. I'm just trying to use the rest of this marker because it is so difficult. If you want to learn to draw from scratch, go to sketchingeasy.com. That is the official website. I teach you how to draw from scratch. If you want to learn how to draw in general, let's just say you have shaky hands or something like that, I teach you the basics. Like, let's say you picked up a pencil yesterday, okay? There's a program for that. Go to sketchingeasy.com right now. Type it into your, thing. Top bar right there, you're gonna see beginner lesson, okay? Go check that out. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video. I want you to reach out to me, say hi to me, hit the like button, share the video. See you later.